Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the secret agent in Toilet Tower Defense. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So if you didn't know what the secret agent is, it's a legendary unit that does insanely high damage to get through multiple units at once, and this thing is so strong and powerful that it's able to one-shot the strongest toilet, which is the glitch toilet. So getting this unit for your team can be really beneficial, but how do we actually go about getting it? Now the only way to actually get it is by summoning in a crate over here, and as we can see, it's up here. The secret agent, it has 1% chance, so what you first have to do is have at least 100 coins to be able to open this, and then when you do have 100 coins, you can go ahead and click on it and then open it up and hope you get super lucky and get that 1% chance of unlocking secret agent. Now this will be really hard because it's only 1%, so you got to get super lucky to actually get it, but if you do get it, it's going to be insanely good for your team as this unit is just so powerful. So that's exactly how you can get secret agent in Toilet Tower Defense. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.